ngifuna ungicocele ngemali. Sikhuluma ngerandi.
Usithathe ithombe nje sifile.
Nanti irandi sikhuluma ngalo. Africa my continent, Africa my home, se-Africa, e-South Africa, KwaZulu, seThekwini. Ngimila nenkosazana. Yabona-ke mina sengineminyaka eminingi na-53.
Yebo.
Ma ngikhula kwakuthiwa amandla erandi, sakhula irandi lathe u-2 rand uqhathanise negolide kwahamba laba u-8 rand uqhathanisa negolide. Angiyazi lona. Ubani lo engihleli naye ungixoxele nje ukuthi yini irandi kwenziwani?
Hayi, ayikho inkinga. Igama uAmani wakaDube.
Yes.
Khona manje sibhekene nenkinga baba.
Yes.
Amabhanki wonke mawuhlangene amanipulate irandi okusho ukuthi kuyimanje kumele ngabe irandi lithengwa u1 rand u7 rand uthenga idola elilodwa kodwa manje njengoba ngime nawe namhlanje ligijima ko17 rand 18 rand kufika kanjani lokho kufika ngokuthi amabhanki bebeqhudelana makuthengwa kutradewa amakhampani amakhulu makutradewa umuntu bekabheka ukuthi Standard Bank udayisa ngamalini bani bahlala phansi babona ukuthi bona bafuna ukuwina bodwa bahlala phansi bahlangana bayinyusa ukwenzela ukuthi nanoma ubani oyitholayo leyo deal bona benza imali impumela yaloko ngoba ukuthi sekunyuka ne-price of living.
Yes.
Kuthina-ke sihleli sama South African ngoba mawutrade imoto nje mangenza umzembekelo mawuthenga imoto manje sithenga 3 times more.
Oh.
Isinkwa njengoba manje mawukuthi ngaba u7 rand to the dollar isinkwa singaba u8 rand suka ku20 rand. Ngomhla ka17 November ku-shutdown esobe senza i-protest sobe senza sobe sikhuluma ngalezo zinto rand manipulation amabhangi anga-ownwa yithina ama-South African behlangene bonke no-South African Reserve Bank o-Oppenheimer-ke no-Stellenbosch mafias mabeyisho ba-own ama-percentage lapho they own ama-bonds iy'kweleti zethu zi-ownwa yibona sikweleta bona kodwa bona bamanipulate irandi uku-oppressa thina siwumningizimu Afrika so besola lezo zinto it's a system and it falls down kuyo yonke into ongayicabanga upetroli isinkwa ivethi solo ne-rate inflation bafuna ukunyukusa ngo3% zonke lezo zinto ezihlangene manje nomnotho wase-South Africa poverty is a man-made phenomenon.
Yes.
It's a problem that is created by people that sit in boardrooms basidecidela ukuthi siyongena-ke laphaya sikhuluma kuyimanje i-Saudi Arabia ilwela iTheku bafuna ukulithenga balenza iDubai ngaleso sikhathi i-Europe ithi hayi Saudi Arabia thina sifuna ukugubha lithium lento yenza amabheji njengoba sebeqalile nje emzumbe zonke lezo zinto we need to arrest nama-politicians avumelayo ukuthi labantu bangenele kwisystem yase-South Africa babhala nama-policy wethu njengoba masiyoboleka-ke imali mhlawumbe njengomongameli wethu simbone ehambe yoboleka imali ko-EU nako-IMF nako-World Bank lezi imali lezi ikweledwa yithina inkinga enkulu ifike ibe sekutheni njengoba beyoyikweleta izoyenza umsebenzi la eSouth Africa but umsebenzi awufiki ebantwini ama-job creations labakhuluma ngawo awafiki thina asisebenzi kuyimanje and then bona ifike idleke kubona futhi imali iphela i-report was given by on the 4th of November i-report ithini ithi tax mawuyikhokhela mawukhokha u1 rand kwi-tax u5 cent kuphela osizwa umuntu okhokhela leyo tax u95 cent uyapi ukhokhela ama-government officials imholo wabo lapho-ke banama-position inqwaba khona bebexoxa besho ukuthi hayi ngiyi-deputy lana kodwa angizazi ukuthi ngisebenza ngenzani uyazibona nje lezo inkinga ezinjalo kodwa uyahola u2 million u2 million ngitshele baba ungenza umsebenzi ongakanani umehluko ongakanani kumuntu ozama ukwenza ibhizinisi eSouth Africa e.g. So now lo 95 cent uphinde futhi uhlukane futhi almost 65% of lo 95 cent lo ophelayo nje esithubeni uya towards ama-ghost projects and tenders mabe nyusa i-tax njalo ikhokho wena kusayilo 1 rand wakho njalo le mali edliwayo njengoba sibuka ama-commission lawo isuka from your pocket it is not fair that in 2025 as a taxpayer i-tax inyuswa njalo ukwenzela ukuthi khokho bese bayabuya bathi yashoda imali eSouth Africa beyidlile they didn't govern the country well. They didn't manage our financial systems. And it's not impossible. The truth is, we are disrespected as citizens of South Africa, even with our very own land, our very minerals, and our money. We need to put a stop to this. This is going to be a long process because we are not fighting with just it's 1 or 2 individuals. We're fighting with a system that is oppressive towards the South African person.
Uthe nkosazane nenze i-shutdown-ke lezi ngane mina ngilahlekile ngazi uma
Okay.
uphuma idola nenze i-shutdown niyenza nini i-shutdown?
Ngomhla ka-17
Yes.
wonke ama-city la e-South Africa so besimasha submitha ama-demands wethu
Yes.
to National Treasury, ama-bank that are involved, the police commissions, and everyone involved in the rand manipulation, in the 7 rand to the dollar exchange, and we want accountability from government for all these corrupt politicians that are involved in all this mess esiyona to be held accountable. Sifuna ababosho kube namadocument ashoyo ukuthi nayi arrest warrant. You can't take away izinto uthatha ama-Lamborghini bese ushiya umuntu.
Yes.
So that's what we are marching for. So on the 17th, we're giving them our demands. We will be giving them 5 days.
Yes.
By Friday, mawukuthi asiphenduleki siyi-youth yase-South Africa, siyabantu base-South Africa, voting, tax-paying citizens of South Africa. We are shutting down the economy. We will not participate. Not a single person will trade. All the economic hubs will not be in business on that day. This is how we're standing up for ourselves. Because the thing is, people bayasaba ukuthi, hey, we will so disturb the economy. The economy is us. Abantu ngicela bayazi leyo nto ukuthi ayikho into ekuthiwa i-economy ngaphandle kwakho.
Yes.
Wonke ama-decisions ayenziwa in these tables bawenza ngegama lakho, ngemali yakho, ngokusebenza kwakho, ngezandla zakho, ngomnotho wakho.
Nkosazana, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga baba.
Thank you so much.
Siyabonga
Ngicabanga ukuthi-ke asibe nawo lamathuba nanokuthi nizosifundisa
Yeah.
nisibambe nje ngesandla ukuthi irandi nedola yini.
Yeah.
Lokhu kungi-affecta kanjani? Umuntu nje oyohola i-grant mayikhona into ekuthiwa i-grant u-350 lo 370 uma leli randi nithi neliyamanipulate lizomenza ukuze ibe njengoba uchaze kahle wayichaza ngesinkwa
Yeah.
ukuthi isinkwa bekungenzeka sisuke ku-20 size ku-8
Yeah.
rand wenza kube lula-ke nakube ukuthi
Yeah.
lento ikhandiwe lento hhayi ukuthi vele irandi kubiza le mali.
Ehe.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu nkosazana.
Yebo baba.
Thank you so
Bonga
much.
mina.
Siyabonga
Bonga
kakhulu.
mina.
Thank you.
Thank